Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to lock Viber using your Face ID or other security options on your device. This is perfect if you want to keep your Viber private and secure. Let's get started. Unfortunately, Viber doesn't have a built-in app lock feature like Face ID. But don't worry, you can still lock Viber using third-party app lockers. Here's how to do it. First, go to the Google Play Store and search for an app like AppLock or AppLock Pro. Download and install the app. Open the app locker and set up your preferred lock method, such as Face ID, Fingerprint, PIN, or Pattern. After setting up your security, find Viber in the list of apps and toggle the switch to lock it. Now, every time you or someone else opens Viber, the app locker will prompt for a Face ID, Fingerprint, PIN, or Pattern before opening. And that's it. With Viber now locked behind a Face ID, Fingerprint, or PIN, you can rest easy knowing your Viber are secure. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.